Good morning class. Today we will start our new chapter number 10, which is percentage. Okay, let's read what is percentage. Okay, this is a sign of percentage. This is the symbol and sign of percentage. What do you mean by percentage? Per and cent. Percentage is a two words. The word percent is of two words, per and cent. Per means out of and cent means 100. So basically percentage means out of 100. Okay. What do you mean by percentage? Percentage means out of 100. Okay. So let's solve our exercise and let's see how we will take out the percentage. Okay. All understood? What do you mean by percentage? Percent is of two words, made up of two words. Per means out of and cent means 100. So out of 100 is known as percentage. Okay. Let's start our exercise. While solving our question, we know how to take out the percent. Okay. We will solve the questions and see. Okay. Exercise number 10.1. Question number 1. Express the following as percentage. You have to express the following as percentage. First is given to you. Let's see how we will solve. 8 by 10 is equals to dash percent. Okay. Just now I have told you this is the sign of percent. And how we will take out the percentage? It is out of 100 means we have to multiply with 100. 0 cancel out. What is left out? That we will multiply. 8 into 10 is equals to 80. So 8 by 10 is dash percent, 80%. 8 by 10 is equals to 80%. Okay. Number 2 is 2 by 5 is equals to dash percent. Likewise, same we will solve. 2 by 5 into 100. You will see whether these can be cancelled out or not. You know now numerator and denominator in the last chapter we all have read. So we will see whether these can be cancelled out or not. In the table of 5, 100 comes? Yes. 5 ones are, 5 twos are 10, 5 zeros are. So what is left out? 2 into 20, which is equals to 2 twos are 4, 40. So 2 by 5 is equals to 40%. Okay. Next is 1 by 3 is equals to dash percent. Number third, 1 by 3 is equals to dash percent. 1 by 3 into 100. We will see whether it can be cancelled out or not. With 3 we can't cancel 0 because this is not the divisibility of 3. Okay, this can't be cancelled with 3, so we will just multiply and divide. 1 into 100 will be 100 divided with 3. So we will divide in rough. 3 3s are 9 minus 1 0. 3 3s are 9 minus 1. With decimal we will take 0. Again 3, 9. Again 3. So this will be repeatedly. So we will take it as 33 point. We will take up to 2 places of decimal. 3, 3. Okay. Because it will not be divisible. We have to take only 2 places of decimal because 3 will be repeated many times as much as we can divide. So we will take up to 2 places of decimal, 33.33. Okay. Now next is number 4. Number 4th is 40. Number 4th, 40 is equals to dash percent. Okay. Here no denominator is given. It is given as a whole number. So we will just multiply it by 100. So what we will get? 40 into 100 will be 4000. So 40 is equals to 4000%. Okay. Next is number 5. It is 1 by 8. 5 is 1 by 8 is equals to dash percent. Okay, so here 1 by 8 into 100. This can be divisible by 2. 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 0s are 2 2s are 4, 2 25. 1 into 25, 25 upon 2. It can't be divisible further, so we will just divide it and write. Okay, so what we will come after dividing? 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. We will take one decimal, 0, 2 5s are 10. So what you will get? 12.5. So 1 by 8 is 12.5%. Okay. Now next is question number 6. Question number 6 is 3 by 8. 3 by 8 is equals to dash percent. Okay. 3 by 8 is equals to dash percent. 3 by 8 into 100. Again 2 4s are 250, 2 2s are 225. So here 3 into 25 divided with 2. 3 5s are 15, 5, 3 2s are 6, 75 by 2. What you will get when you will divide 75 by 2? Let us see here in rough. 2 3s are 6 minus 1 5, 2 7s are 14 minus 1.05. So what the percent we got? 37.5. 37.5 percentage. Okay. So like this we will solve question number 1. Next question is express the following as percentage. Okay, question number 2 is you have to express the following as percentage. Question number 2. Question number 2. First one is 3 9 upon 20. It is given in mixed fraction. Okay. 3 9 by 20. So what we will do, we will first change the mixed fraction into proper fraction. You all know now how to we will change. We will just multiply and add. Okay. We will just multiply here and then add. 2 in 20 into 3 will be 60. 60 plus 9 is 69 upon 20 into 100. 1 0 1 0 cancel out. 2 1s are 2 5s are. Then we will just multiply the left out. Okay. 5 9s are 45, 5, 4 carry 30, 34. 345%. So what is our answer? Answer is 345%. Remember one thing, whenever the fraction it is given in mixed fraction, first you will change into proper or improper fraction, then we will solve. Okay. Number 2 is 3 by 4. Number 2 is 3 by 4. How you will solve? 3 by 4 into 100. 2 2s are, 2 5s are, 0s are. 2 1s are 25. Just multiply 3 into 25. 75%. Okay. Next is again, next one is given in mixed fraction 2 7 upon 8. Number third is, third one is 2 7 by 8. Again first we will change this mixed fraction. 8 2s are 16, 16 plus 7 is 23. 23 upon 8. 23 by 8 into 100. 2 4s are 250, 2 2s are 225. So what is left out? 23 into 25 upon 2. First we will just multiply 23 into 25. What you will get? Multiply in rough here. Okay. 23 into 25. 5 3s are 15, 5 carry 1, 5 2s are 10, 11, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 5 7 5. 575 upon 2. When you will divide it by 2, what you will get? 28.7.5. When you will divide it by 2, you will get 287.5%. Okay. Now next is number 4. Next is number 4th is 9 by 20. 9 by 20. 9 by 20 into 100. 0 0 cancel out. 2 ones are 2 5s are. 5 9s are 45. So what is the percent we got? 45%. Okay. Next is 15 by 16. Next one is 15 by 16. Number 5. Number 5 is 15 upon 16. 15 by 16 into 100. 2 8s are 2 50s are. 2 4s are 25. What is left out? 15 into 25 divided by 4. Okay. So first you will just multiply. When you will multiply, you will get 375 by 4. After dividing, you will get 93.75. You can do in rough and then find it out. Okay. Number 6. 2 1 upon 5. First you will convert this mixed fraction into proper fraction and then you will solve. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 1 is 11 by 5 into 100. 5 1s are 520. 11 into 20 will be 220%. Okay. This was your question number 2. Question number 3 is express the following as percentage. But as you can see in your question, it is given in decimal form. Okay. First you have to convert this and then we will take it out. Okay. The percentage. Let's see how we can solve this. Question number 3. Express the following as percentage. Okay. First one is question number 3. 2.35. This you have to express as percentage. So see how we can express this as percentage. Okay. As you can see here, what we are doing for taking out percentage, we are just multiplying it by 100. Okay. Here as you can see, decimal is given. When we are removing the decimal, we are putting here zeros. Okay. So we will remove the decimal. How many decimal places are there? 2. So we will put 2 zeros. Okay. 100 cancel. What is left out? 235%. Number 2. Number 2 is 8.9. 8.9. So first we will remove the decimal. Okay. One place of number is given after decimal, so we will put 10 and multiply it with 100. Here cancel out, multiply it 890%. Okay. Next is 7.75. Number 3 is 7.75. Okay. So first we will remove the decimal. After decimal, how many numbers are given? 2. So we will place 2 zeros into 100. This 100 cancelled out. What is left out? 775%. Okay. Next is 2.11. Number 4th is 2.11. First we will remove the places of decimal. 211 upon. After decimal, 2 numbers are here, so we will put 100. Here also, while taking out percentage, we will multiply with 100. What is left out? 211%. Okay. So next one is, fifth one is 2.712. Number 5. number 5 is 2.712. As you can see here, first we are removing the decimal. So how many numbers are given after decimal? 3. So we will put 3 zeros here, multiply it with 100. 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0. 2 zeros cancelled out. What is left out? 2712 upon 10. How many zeros are here? 1. So we will put one place of decimal here. So 271.2%. Okay. Number 6 is 0.015. Again we will remove the decimal. How many places of decimal numbers are here? 3. So we will put here 3 zeros into 100. 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 cancelled out. What is left out? 15 upon 10. 1 0 is here, so we will place the decimal accordingly. 1.5%. Okay. Next is question number 7 is 36.52. Number 7 is 36.52. We will remove the decimal first. After decimal, 2 numbers are here, so we will place 100 here, 2 zeros, and here multiplied with 100. What is left out? 3652 percentage. Okay, like this you will try to solve the rest of the question. Only 3 question is left out. You will try to solve like this. With this we have completed our exercise number 10.1. Only 3 questions left. First you will remove the decimal places and then you will multiply it by 100. Okay. So with this we have completed our exercise number 10.1. We will meet in our next class. Thank you.